Hey Sarah, say hello to the people. Hello people, welcome back to the Kayla and the Kitty Cat channel. Now play. Dun, 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 dun. Let's play, Sarah. Let's play. Butt up in the air, butt up in the air. Butt. Butt. Take your butt out the camera, man, girl. Take your butt out the camera, girl. Ay. Guys, this is a happy cat in a man. She's so happy. She's so happy. She loves when her butt is span. Look at her. This is so funny to me, I tell you. Jab. Ay. Butt spank. Alright, drop. Butt spank, drop. Butt spank, butt spank. Butt spank. Drop. Guys, this cat love when her butt is spanked. You love your butt spanked so. Oh, you love your butt spanked so. Yeah, see this cat. She love when her butt is spanked. She love the attention. This is our little play this is what we do in playtime. This is what we do in playtime. Sarah, playtime. This is what we do in playtime, guys. Woo! Stop biting me. Don't bite me. Go away. Boy. Alright, I'm tired. Tired now. I'm tired. Finish. Give me a handshake. It's nice playing with you, okay? It was a good run. At least you didn't cut me. Bye. Finish? Really, Sarah? You finish? Finish playing? Huh? You finish playing? Alright guys, that is it for today's video, guys. If you did enjoy this little video, please like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you all in our next video. We are working to 4K WH, guys. Let's do it, guys. Let's see if we can do it, guys. We have hit our little mark that we said that we wanted to do, so we are on to our next watch WH, guys. So let's work on it, guys. Let's watch this video. Let's watch it. Let's share it. Let's watch another video. And yeah, let's work on it, guys. We're trying to work on our WH this year, guys. We're trying to make it on YouTube this year, guys. Let's do it. That's you, Sarah. We're trying to do it now because we've been doing this for a couple years now, guys. And we really want to reach the WH, guys. We want to see what's next in store. So let's work upon that, guys. And I will see you in our next video. Peace. Love you guys. Out.